Have you ever wished your crypto holdings could work for you, generating passive income without you lifting a finger? What if I told you that for Canadian crypto enthusiasts, that reality is not just a dream, but a current feature with exciting developments on the horizon? We're talking about staking, and specifically, staking options on Newton, one of Canada's leading cryptocurrency platforms. For years, the promise of passive income in crypto has been a hot topic. We've heard about mining, yield farming, and various DeFi protocols. But for many, especially those just starting out or looking for a simpler, more regulated approach, these options can seem complex, risky, or just plain overwhelming. That's where staking comes in, and that's where Newton is making a real difference for its Canadian user base. So, what exactly is staking, for those who might be new to this concept? Imagine putting your money into a high-interest savings account. Instead of a bank, you're lending your cryptocurrency to a blockchain network. This isn't just a charitable act, it's a vital one. In proof-of-stake, POS, blockchains, staking is how transactions are validated and new blocks are added to the chain. By locking up your crypto, you are essentially acting as a validator or contributing to a pool of validators, helping to secure the network. In return for your contribution, you earn rewards, typically more of the same cryptocurrency you've staked. It's a low-effort way to grow your crypto holdings without actively trading, a true passive income stream. Historically, getting involved in staking could be a bit of a technical hurdle. You might need to set up your own node, manage complex software, and understand the intricacies of different blockchain protocols. For the average user, this was a barrier to entry. This is precisely where platforms like Newton step in, democratizing access to staking. They act as intermediaries, simplifying the process and making it accessible to a wider audience. Now, let's address the burning question: are Newton staking options coming? The exciting news is that they are not just coming, they are here, and have been for some time. Newton has already rolled out staking for popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL. This is a significant development for Canadian crypto investors, providing a regulated and user-friendly way to participate in the growing world of staking. But it's not just about if they're coming, it's about what they offer and what's next. Let's delve into the details of Newton's current staking offerings and then explore the potential for expansion. Currently, Newton allows users to stake Ethereum, ETH, and Solana, SOL, directly through their platform. These are two of the largest and most promising proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies in the market, making them excellent choices for staking. Ethereum, after its monumental shift to proof-of-stake with the merge, has become a cornerstone of the staking ecosystem, offering competitive rewards for those contributing to its network security. Solana, known for its high throughput and fast transaction speeds, also provides attractive staking opportunities. Newton's approach to staking emphasizes simplicity and accessibility. Their platform is designed to be user-friendly, allowing both new and experienced investors to stake their assets effectively. This means no complicated command lines, no managing validator nodes, just a few clicks within the app or website. This ease of use is a critical factor in attracting mainstream adoption for crypto services. Of course, with any investment, it's crucial to understand the mechanics and potential returns. Newton clearly outlines how their staking program works. When you stake your crypto with Newton, your funds are essentially pooled with those of other users. This pool then contributes to the validation process on the respective blockchain. Newton handles all the technical complexities of running validators, ensuring your staked assets are actively participating and earning rewards. Rewards are typically calculated regularly, for instance, every 2 days, known as an epoch in some blockchain networks, and then distributed to your account, often on a weekly basis. It's important to remember that these reward rates are estimates and not guaranteed, as they depend on various factors like network conditions, validator performance, and overall network demand. Newton also details its fee structure, which typically involves a small percentage of the rewards being deducted for both validator fees and Newton's platform fees. For example, for Ethereum, you might see a percentage deducted for validator fees and another percentage for Newton's platform fees from the gross rewards. This transparency is vital for investors to make informed decisions. Beyond the convenience, there are several compelling reasons why staking with a regulated platform like Newton is attractive, especially for Canadians. Firstly, it offers a degree of security that might be harder to achieve for individual stackers. Newton employs robust security measures, including an 80-20 cold storage model, meaning the majority of crypto assets are stored offline to minimize exposure to cyber threats. They also have an in-house security team, institutional-grade backups, and conduct continuous security testing. This provides peace of mind for users who might be hesitant about the security risks associated with holding large amounts of crypto themselves or engaging with less regulated platforms. Secondly, Newton's status as a registered Canadian crypto trading platform provides regulatory clarity. They are registered as a restricted dealer with applicable jurisdictions and as a money services business, MSB, under Canadian AML/ATF law. This regulatory oversight can offer a layer of protection and accountability that might be absent with offshore or less regulated platforms. For many Canadian investors, knowing they are dealing with a compliant entity is a significant advantage. So, the coming soon question has largely been answered by the fact that staking is already active for ETH and SOL. The real question now is, what more is coming? What does the future hold for Newton staking options? While Newton has not published a detailed public roadmap specifically outlining future staking coin additions for 2025 and beyond, we can infer potential directions based on market trends, user demand, and the nature of proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. One obvious area for expansion would be adding more proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving, with new and promising POS projects emerging regularly. Cryptocurrencies like Cardano, ADA, Polkadot, DOT, Avalanche, AVAX, and many others offer staking opportunities. As these networks mature and gain wider adoption, it's highly probable that Newton will consider adding them to their staking roster. The more options available, the more diverse portfolios users can build and the more passive income streams they can generate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.